Alright guys, so this is the new Frigidaire 2020 33.5 inch times 21.7 inches. It's about 23 inches wide. This is the silver edition. They only have this in about 3 different colorways. It actually weighs 116 pounds. Alright. So obviously you're gonna need somebody to help you pull this out, but it won't be too heavy, right? All silver and then black around. We're gonna show it to you guys outside the box, but this is a highly rated refrigerator right here by Frigidaire. And as you can see right here, they have the shelves and they have the 3 side shelves when you open the door, attached to the door with the freezer at the top. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this one out and test this one out. We're also going to show y'all the old refrigerator that we had for the last 10 years and give you guys the information and rundown on that one because it finally broke. So we decided to upgrade to a newer and better model, which is going to be this Frigidaire right here for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out and show you guys the unboxing and how it looks compared to the old refrigerator and where we had the old refrigerator at. All right, man. So if y'all are watching this video, my refrigerator broke on me, man. My refrigerator broke. Yep, my refrigerator broke. It came down here, it was leaking. Trying to figure out why it was leaking, couldn't figure out why it was leaking. We had this refrigerator for a while. This one is a Frigidaire, right? So now I'm gonna show you guys the Frigidaire that we had for 10 years. Right here in front of me and where it's placed. So let me go ahead and flip the camera. All right, y'all, so this was the old refrigerator. As you can see, it's been kind of leaking water because it's broken, so we turned it off. But this was the old Frigidaire, so you guys can see the inside. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start the unboxing of the Frigidaire for you guys real quick. I don't know how that didn't break it, but it didn't. Let's go over here to this corner. There we go. Same thing with these right here. All right, guys, so we got those off. Let's go ahead and slide this up under here like so. So way easier than actually taking the guards off, but the guards are pretty good. Helps you know that it's new and not used. This was from Best Buy, so usually you don't have that problem with Best Buy for these type of appliances. And boom, right there. Looks like it's got some nice guards on it. I think I might have opened this from the bottom. Just on how that looks. Looks like we might have opened this one from the bottom, guys. But if we did, it's okay because we actually want to keep this on. We can flip it over, all right? We're gonna flip it over on its side. And then we're gonna take this box off, pull this box off, and it's gonna be standing upright. So we'll be right back, y'all. So this is actually upright, guys. It's actually upright. So we had it right the first time. When I attempted to take off the box and everything, it actually, I actually saw the prongs, right? When I say the prongs, there was like little legs on this one. So the other one had legs too, but they weren't adjustable. These little legs on this one,
See the back of this right here. It looks brand new. Some copper down there. This is the plug. Obviously these plug in just like the old one. But this one had the legs in the front, if you guys can see that. So right there you see the legs.
Those legs are only in the front, so that's a little different. But let's go ahead and open this up. This looks like this is going to fit in the same area.
Nice plastic wrap all the way around. Plastic wrapped at the top. Let's see if we can open this for you guys. Take this little seal off. And voila. So this one is way more spacious, way nicer than the other one. I just like how it's cut and everything compared to the old one. Also has the freezer box, which the freezer box look like it just opens easily on its own. Take off these two pieces of tape real quick for you guys. And voila. Nice little spacious freezer box that snaps closed. Then you have where you can change your temperature right there.
And yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of all this extra space so you guys can just see the Frigidaire by itself. Brand new Frigidaire. This one is definitely a lot skinnier than the old one. Skinnier and taller. Little less wide as the other one, but I like it though. I like it. It looks nice. Also, it has a protective film. It says this surface is protected by plastic film, which should be taken off. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off, just because they're telling us to take it off, and we don't want any fire hazards. So it has a hard time coming off. Maybe it's.
Yeah, it was up under the door too. That's why it's so hard coming off. I can take it off in all one big rip.
So you guys get the drift already. I'm gonna just go ahead and rip all this off, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, so you guys don't have to hear this throughout the entire video.
Also, real quick before we put it in, one thing I noticed that we didn't have on the old Frigidaire is right here. This is for leaks, right? It's basically just gonna catch any extra water that drips down, and this right here, when it gets hot, it's just gonna basically evaporate. And then they have the cord right here in the back. Cord looks a little newer. Same 3-prong cord right here. So make sure you have one of these in the outlet that you're going to be plugging it into, and make sure you take off the wrap before you actually install it, because the wrap is all over and the sticker actually comes off when you take it off. So make sure you pull all of the wrap off before you install it, or you're not going to be able to pull it off unless you want to keep it on because it's a rental or whatever the purpose is.
All right, y'all, so I just plugged it in. This one, like I said, is a little bit taller, and but it is skinnier, so, but it's a little longer. As you can see, it just sticks out just a little bit more than the original one. But this is how it looks while it's on. Oh, got this light back here.
I think this might be okay, that's not a button for the light. So you can't turn that light off. But that light is only open when the door is open. Then once again, like I said, you guys have the freezer box up here that you can easily access and unlock. The freezer box has enough space for you to definitely put some stuff in there. I mean, obviously you can't put a 6-pack box because of the width of this. But like I said, you see how my hand goes back there. It's probably enough space for like a good 3 or 4 drinks. Let's see. Actually, we have some water right here. Let's test it. The freezer box, just so we can give you guys an idea. The freezer box. So you can fit about 2 water bottles in there. Can't fit in 2 water bottles the long way though. But it has some decent space, like I said already. Take these back out. And yeah, man, we got these right here.